G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm gonna make for you a brand new hot soup recipe. This is my new vegan broccoli and cheese soup. It's absolutely delicious, so I hope you like it. Okay, so I'm starting with 1.5 cups of filtered water. All my measurements are down the side of the container here in cups and mils. You can start with hot water. You can make a soup in about 2 minutes. Cold water, it's gonna take about 5 or 6 minutes. So today I'm using steamed broccoli. Now you can use raw broccoli. I do that all the time at home as well, but the raw broccoli will give it a more bitter taste and flavor. So if you want it to taste, more like a traditional broccoli soup, more rich in flavor, then definitely just lightly steam your broccoli first and then put it in. So I've got 2 cups of broccoli. Doesn't really matter the measurements here, just about 2 cups. I'm gonna put in some zucchini, about 1/4 of a zucchini. Notice I use the end of the zucchini, the part we usually throw in the bin. It's really good for you, packed with nutrition. Got a little bit of spring onion, just a little bit of flavor goes in. I'm just gonna put in 1/2 cup of coconut cream. That's gonna give it a beautiful creamy consistency. You can use milk, cashew milk, anything you like, it's entirely up to you. I've got a handful of cashews just to help cream it up a little bit more. I've got some beautiful smoked vegan cheese. You can buy that at most, organic stores, marketplaces. Just gonna put that in. And I've also got a little bit of flavor. I'm gonna use some fresh dill. I absolutely love dill, such a beautiful flavor. And also some fresh basil, just to give our broccoli and cheese soup some added flavor. A little bit of garlic with the skin. We don't have to worry about peeling it. Same with the stock cube, throw that straight in. Same with the salt and pepper. A little bit of flavor goes a long way in our soup. No, don't be silly. We need to peel the stock cube. This is a Massel vegetarian stock cube. It's vegan friendly, very, very good for you. And I've also got some salt and pepper. So we keep the seasonings nice and simple. I've already got those nice fresh herbs in there. So just a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm just gonna lock my lid into place, make sure that's locked in place, otherwise you can redecorate the kitchen. Now Vitamix cooks using friction heat. You can imagine if I did this 500 times a second, how hot my hands would be. So the same principle is working on the blades inside the container. So I can put in some cold water, raw vegetables, 5 minutes, I'm gonna have a hot soup. Pretty amazing when you think about it. You can cook sauces in here, fondues, scrambled eggs, lots of things you can do. So the great thing about this model, it has a soup setting. So I can just press the soup button and in 5 minutes and 45 seconds, my soup is gonna be finished. I don't have to worry about turning it off at all. It'll automatically switch off when it's complete. And away we go. All right, our soup is done. 5 minutes, cold water, raw vegetables. Get that lid off. Look at that. Beautiful, steaming hot soup. By the time it takes you to drive through the local drive-through, I've made a nutritious soup in my Vitamix. Jamie Oliver said if the food's got a label on it, it's probably not very good for you. No label on fresh fruit and veg. I know exactly what I've put into my soup. I know exactly what I'm putting into my body. Beautiful broccoli, absolutely packed with different vitamins, folic acid, magnesium, high in protein and fiber, so good for you. Let's serve out some of that. Straight into my bowl here. Look at that, I can smell that beautiful broccoli and cheese flavor. Let's try some of that. That is so delicious. The fresh flavors of the dill, the basil with that vegan cheese, smoked vegan cheese and the broccoli, absolutely delicious. I think you're gonna love this recipe. Happy blending.